Alright, so this is Bomb 8 again, another one of the GRE quantitative comparison questions. In this case, we're giving, well, it looks like three circles, each one inside of the other. We have this smaller circle here with a radius of 5, corresponding to this blue part here. We have this middle circle here, the medium circle, with a radius of 12, and a radius of the large circle is 13. We have quantity A, which is the area of the yellow region, that is the area of this part right here, and quantity B, which is the area of the blue region, obviously this part right here. Alright, so a typical question, GRE question, you know, if you got yourself by just looking at the image, you would say that is quantity B is larger. We see that quantity B has a larger area looking at the picture than the yellow section. But again, as usual in the GRE, we do not guide ourselves based on what the picture might look like. We guide ourselves by the actual computation and results. Alright, so I'm going to change colors here. I want to try to label the different radius that we get, different radii that we get. So for the blue circle, the small circle, we're going to get a radius of 5. For the middle circle here, the medium circle, we have a radius of 12. And let's say the radius for the larger circle all the way here, that's 13. Alright, notice that in order for us to get the area of the yellow region, that's the same as me grabbing the big circle and getting the area of that big circle and subtracting the area of the middle circle. And that would give me the shaded part that I'm looking for. That will give me, you know, the yellow part all across here. And that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to calculate the area of the larger circle, and I'm going to subtract it from the area. I'm going to get the area of the medium circle. I'm going to subtract it from the area of the larger circle. All right, again, the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. Let's see what's the area of the larger circle. That's going to be AL. Call it like that. It's going to be pi. Its radius is 13, so it's going to be 13 squared. And that's going to be 100. 13 squared is 169, so we get 169 pi. For the area of the medium circle, again, we use the same equation. We're going to get pi. The radius is 12, so it's 12 squared. And we're going to get 12 squared is 144. We get 144 pi. And therefore, like we just talked about, I'm going to subtract the area of the medium circle from the area of the large circle. So we're going to get area of large minus area of the medium circle. We're going to get 169 pi minus 144 pi. And after subtracting that, we get 25 pi. Alright, so that's the area of the yellow part here, the shaded yellow part. So that would be quantity A. So quantity A so far is 25 pi. Alright, so what's the area of the blue region? Well, the area of the blue region is just literally the area of that small circle. So what's the area of the small circle? The area of the small circle, I'm going to label it A subscript S. It's going to be, again, we use the equation for the area of a circle. It's pi r squared. Our r here, the radius of the small circle, is 5. So that's squared. 5 squared is 25, and we get 25 pi. So we notice that the quantity that we got for quantity A is the same as the one of quantity B. And therefore, from our results, A, B, C, and D that they give you to choose, we choose option C. Both quantity A and quantity B are the same. And again, you know, a lot of, and you'll see this in many of the GRE questions. A lot of the times you're able to find the area by grabbing the area of the entire thing, like we did here, the area of the entire large circle, and then subtracting the area of a smaller shape that might be inside. And that's how we get the area that is remaining that we're looking for. All right, that's it for bomb 8. I'll see you guys in bomb 9. Take it easy. Bye.